Are you ready to find the perfect knife for your outdoor adventures? Whether you're into bushcraft, survival, or just need a reliable tool for any situation, choosing the right knife can mean the difference between success and frustration. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is the best? Today, we're diving into the key factors for picking a bushcraft knife that truly fits your needs. And the best part? All the recommended models are linked in the comments, making it easy for you to find them. So stay until the end. This decision could completely change your outdoor experience. The first thing you need to understand is that there's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all knife. Every knife has a specific purpose, and choosing the wrong one can be an expensive mistake. If you plan to use it for chopping wood, processing game, or carving, each task requires different features. The blade shape, steel type, handle design, and even the size all make a huge difference. Looking for a versatile knife? Go for something balanced between durability and precision. But if you need a heavy-duty tool, a full-tang knife with a thicker blade might be your best bet. Now let's talk about steel type. This is one of the most important aspects when selecting a bushcraft knife. You have two main options: stainless steel and carbon steel. Stainless steel requires less maintenance and resists moisture better, making it ideal for wet conditions like fishing or humid environments. Carbon steel, on the other hand, holds an edge longer and is easier to sharpen, but it needs extra care to prevent rust. If you live in a rainy area or plan on using your knife around water, stainless might be the way to go. But if you want a razor-sharp edge that's easy to restore in the field, carbon steel is the winner. Another key factor is blade design. You'll find different blade shapes, each serving a specific purpose. Drop-point blades are well-balanced, offering a mix of strength and precision. Clip-point blades have a sharper tip, great for detail work. One of the most popular choices for bushcraft is the Scandi grind, which provides excellent control when carving wood and is easy to sharpen, even in the wilderness. If you're looking for extra toughness, a convex grind might be a better fit, as it offers extra strength for chopping and splitting wood. So, knowing how you plan to use your knife will help determine which blade shape is best for you. Now let's talk about the handle. A lot of people overlook this, but the ergonomics of a knife handle are crucial for comfort and safety. A poorly designed handle can cause hand fatigue or even blisters after prolonged use. Knife handles come in different materials, from classic wood, which provides a traditional feel and good grip, to micarta, a highly durable option that holds up well in extreme weather conditions. Rubberized handles offer an excellent non-slip grip, making them perfect for wet or sweaty hands. Whatever you choose, make sure the handle feels secure and comfortable in your hand, especially for long periods of use. Size also plays a major role. A knife that's too large can be difficult to carry and use for precision tasks, while one that's too small might not have the strength needed for chopping wood or clearing brush. The ideal balance for bushcraft is usually a blade between 3.5 and 5 inches, as it offers versatility for most outdoor tasks. Larger knives can be useful for heavy-duty work, such as battening wood, while smaller ones excel at fine carving and food prep. Before making a decision, think about your specific needs and choose accordingly. Another detail to consider is the sheath. A good bushcraft knife should come with a sheath that allows for safe and practical carrying. Leather sheaths offer a classic, durable look, but require maintenance to prevent drying out or cracking. Kydex sheaths provide a modern, moisture-resistant alternative that offers a secure fit and easy cleaning. The best sheath will depend on your personal preference and how you plan to carry your knife. But the most important thing is ensuring that it allows quick, safe access while preventing accidental loss. And, of course, there's the price. A great bushcraft knife doesn't have to be ridiculously expensive, but going too cheap can leave you with a low-quality blade that dulls quickly or even breaks under pressure. The key is to find the best balance of cost and quality, choosing a knife made from solid materials with a reliable build that will last for years. Now that you know exactly what to look for in a bushcraft knife, where can you find the best options? Don't worry, the top-rated models are linked in the comments, so you can easily check them out and find the perfect one for your needs. Click the link, choose wisely, and get ready for your next outdoor adventure. And if this video helped you, hit the like button and comment below. Which feature matters most to you when picking a knife? See you in the next video.